back out here in another spot in the garage next to the bike. First thing we're going to work on are these flat matte finish pipes. These things have become real popular on the bikes. I'm sure you've seen them around when you're out and about. One thing you want to make sure is the pipes are cool to the touch. So as you can see, yep, these are cool to the touch. No burn marks on the hand. So we're going to take a little of the Flitz Flat Matte Paint Finish Cleaner, and what we're going to do is we're going to spray it right on the pipe. The great thing about this product is it's an excellent cleaner to greaser, but most of all, it doesn't gloss or shine a flat finish. So open this up. We're going to spray it right on the area. Bug guts, hard water spots, fingerprints, dust, dirt, grease, oil will wipe right off. Take a soft microfiber cloth. Obviously, I recommend the Flitz one. Put it on and just start wiping it off. What you're going to see instantly, it's taking off some of the bug guts, the dust, the dirt that I had on here. And within seconds, it brings it to that dull matte finish. Now that we got that done, we're going to go to the paint. We're going to go to some more of the chrome. And this is a new product from Flitz called Speedy Seal. It's a quick detailer, but it has a mild ceramic coating to it. The one thing that's really great about this is, when I said earlier, if I have some water spots on here, don't worry about it. This will pull those water spots off. So if there's a few little water spots on there, don't worry, you're covered. The other thing is you can use this on your chrome, you can use it on your wheels. Best of all, you can use it on your flat paint finishes. This is also heat resistant, so when I put on my exhaust, I don't have to worry about it burning off around my engine area. So just take a little bit of this, spray it right onto a cloth. And just for example, even on the flat, what you'll see, just buff it in real light. And buff it right off. I wish this camera had field vision, because once you feel this, it makes it super, super slick. The best thing about that being so slick is helps protect against the bug guts. If you got a passenger on the bike, you got extended pipes, and you worry about burning your boots on there, wipes right off real easy. The other great thing about it is if you have some bluing that's starting to occur, use a little of that Flitz polish on there. That'll help with the bluing. Put that sealant over the top. It'll pretty much stop it right there for you. So I'm going to keep on working on this. Going to hit some of the painted areas here. As you riders know, one of the biggest areas that have the most problems on a motorcycle is your fairings, your windshields, and your forks. They are a bug magnet. With this Speedy Seal, wipes them off so quick, so easy, keeps your bike looking like new. Well, we got this bad boy all cleaned up. Now it's time to put it to the test. Got the Speedy Seal on all the metal work on the bike, the chrome, the flat finishes, and of course the paint. So, got a bottle of water, popped a little hole in here. Let's see how this holds up. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, next test, we're gonna go right to the pipes. Let's see how it holds up on the pipes. Man, there ain't nothing sticking on there. Hope you guys like what you've seen. Flitz products in action. Hope to catch you guys out on the road. All right, until then, remember one thing, Flitz it! Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you like what you saw, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. Remember, Flitz it!